So how do you get a reference to a prim that's already on the stage so you can interact with it? So let's open up a little sample file, and we can see here in USDView we have already got a cone. So it's under the path of container, which is an Xform, and then within that container we have got cone. So let's just go and look at that path. So we can say copy prim path, and if we go to the interpreter, let's just paste that prim path in there just so we know what we're looking at. So that is the prim path, container, cone. So now let's look at the code I'm going to run on the right hand side. Firstly, what we're going to do is we are just going to get a reference to the stage. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to run this method on the stage object, which is GetPrimAtPath, and then you put in the path of the prim you're looking for. And in our case, it's container cone. Like we just saw, that was the path of that particular prim. So let's copy that and run it. So we now have a reference to the cone. Now what we want to do is we want to get the display color attribute and then set it. Now we're going to miss one line of code here, which we actually have to run, but you're just going to see the error we're going to get. And if we copy and paste this command, which is going to give us an error right now until we've done that one other line, you're going to see prim object has no attribute GetDisplayColorAttr. So what we do is we actually get back, when we get this run this GetPrimAtPath, we get back a prim object but not a cone object. So we almost have to cast it into a cone. So let's run this command, cone equals UsdGeom.Cone. So what that'll do is that'll turn that into an actual cone object with all the associated methods attached to it. So there we go. We've now got a proper cone there, and now we can rerun that command, GetDisplayColorAttr, and there we go. It has changed the color of our cone. So really the main thing I wanted to show you here is just this command, GetPrimAtPath. You can get to any prim and interact with it by just putting its path in the hierarchy. But just remember, for most things you're going to want to do, you're going to have to actually cast it into the object type it is, and that the way you'll do that is you'll just go UsdGeom dot whatever the object is, and then pass in that object, and then you can run all those methods on it. All right. If you enjoyed this, please like or subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.